So it's me in the forest. I will see what's happening. I was searching for mushrooms. You never know. And I was surprised. What's happening here? It's like what? Looks like it, yeah? What the heck? What? But then this happened and I was so excited and I was full with emotions. But you will see it soon. And I have my drone with me also, so you get really nice footage of it. So please consider subscribe. And now to the video. But then this happened. Hold on. What's happening here? I see an open green field. But there's something else. I will show you in a second. Just give me a moment. Now here. So I'm on the edge of the forest here. Still didn't found some mushrooms. Found something else. It's a wide open area here. But I was asking why. So I will go and discover a little bit. And let me see. Oh my God. You see that behind me? Oh, what is that? In the middle of the forest? No. This is somebody have built in the past. Okay, I go and discover. I was walking up the hiking trail here, right out of the forest into an open green area. And then this happened. What is this? So I mean, like concrete in the forest. So I just went up and I see it's a big, huge construction. Should be some, if I don't take wrong now, it should be something from the Second World War. So I will see if there's some entry. Oh yeah, you see, it's an opening for air supply, but still I don't see any mushrooms. That's why I'm here. But surprisingly I find this one, and this is also cool because it's like, it's a huge area of concrete and yeah, right beside the forest. Search on the net what's this is all about. What do you think it is? So just to write a comment down below and we will find out. Oh, I found something. A mushroom, finally. And when I'm not wrong, it's like a turkey feed or so, a big one. Nice one, but I just leave it because I have no use for it. Okay, I'm still didn't find the entry here to this humongous concrete bunker or what it was. But many times I find this small air holes. I don't think you see anything. And this one could be some entrance or a window or I don't know what. It's like, looks like metal on corrosion or something. And then it was like some bricks here, you see. Could be closed after Second World War somehow. So yeah, I will just discover a little bit more. if I can show you, give more information. But my goal for today was actually not this, it was finding mushrooms. So we will find out if I find mushrooms. We're not, that was a good surprise for me today. I was not aware about this area and this building. So cool, I think. Interesting. What that? The bunker what? Maybe it's a bunker? Should. Looks like it, yeah? I will go upstairs. What the heck? What? That's huge! It's, you see only the door, but it's much bigger than this, and going the next level down there also. I have to figure out. Okay, that was that. And now I will go down and explore more what's happening here. Exciting! Oi, okay, okay. Let me turn the camera. Okay. A lot of trees and weeds. And ruin. It's like not used for a long time. But it's sealed, you see. They didn't want that people come in. So I think this is for air. Okay, I will go around and try to discover even more. Let me see, I'm on the plateau of this concrete, humongous building. What, who, and how, and I don't know, what? So let me see, what is the distance here? Looks for me like 50 meters or so of concrete hidden in the forest. Oh my God, look at that. And here is a steep edge. And here it disappears in the ground. Interesting. So we discover more. I discovered an entry. It looks like it. It's really small and not fitting for me. It looks like not a rabbit hole. Maybe it's a foxhole, but it's like going right into this concrete building. Hello, somebody. Nobody. Okay. But you see, green, concrete. Green, concrete. Oh, let me see. I'm not sure if I want to eat this type of mushrooms. I'm actually not so familiar with. What do you think? Do you think it is an edible mushroom or not? Just give me a comment and we can find out. Interesting. Let me see, I just continue going towards this other building, what I saw earlier. Okay, big gap. Oi. Oof. And then again, the ground, the green, and then concrete. Let me see. Is it concrete? Oh yes, solid concrete. All over the place. All over. And then that one. Is it crazy? Who is so crazy to build in this type of construction right underneath a mountain? It only have to be, could be the Germans in the Second World War. Who knows? I will figure it out, like I said. So I will take a little research. You see, It's a nice construction work, and it stands here like a while. It's quite old, I think. So interesting, yeah. It's all green on the top here, but let me see, take a closer look. Oh, okay. Going up and steep here. You can see that? It's an opening. Is it like, oh yeah, you know, the Germans were here. I think it could be some air defense stuff or so. I will discover more. Exciting! Okay, so much excitement, but you see what I saw? This was cool, alright? So, until next time, see you then, bye!